The Softex Unified Analytics Platform provides various levels of analytics across a Microsoft Teams environment using both a dashboard and a report-driven approach. Each dashboard displays various widgets, observations, and KPIs, all of which are fully interactive and customizable. A user can drill down on a widget, which then redirects to a detailed granular report, providing the user with further insights into the data. There are multiple dashboards available on the platform. The Adoption Dashboard looks at how users are utilizing the various modalities within a Teams environment, such as audio, video, and screen sharing sessions. The Call Experience Dashboard focuses on inbound call handling. This is looking at calls that come into auto attendance and call queues and then to the final agent. It looks at call volumes and the respective response times for each of these calls. All of this information can be drilled down on to provide further insights. The Infrastructure Dashboard is looking at general utilization on call volumes. It looks at inbound calls, outbound calls, and failed calls and their respective failure reasons. The Call Quality Dashboard looks at the call quality that has been experienced by the users within a Microsoft Teams environment. This looks at good and bad call quality experiences. All of these widgets and KPIs can be drilled down on to provide further insights. The Cost Dashboard is displaying calls that have incurred a cost, and these generally are calls that have been directed outbound and are tariffed based on a customer's telco provider's tariff scheme. The information can be drilled down on to provide further insights into the users, the dialed numbers, the call cost, the call durations, etc. The Report section provides a full suite of reports that allows a user to create custom reports. The user can then save, schedule, and email the reports out to the organization. To access the platform, this is done via a single sign-on process. The platform uses a role-based approach to manage what a user can see.